Namaste, welcome.
welcome. MCQ on Operation Research. Question number 1. Which of the following is true about Big M method? The answer is option 4, all of the above. Question number 2. The Big M method is also called The answer is option 3, the method of penalties. Question number 3. If at least one artificial variable appears in the basis at the positive level and the optimality condition is satisfied, then the answer is option 1, the original problem has no feasible solution. Question number 4. To solve transportation problems, Modi method is used to obtain The answer is option 3, optimal solution. Question number 5. The non-negative artificial variables are added to the left side of each of the equations corresponding to constraints of the type. The answer is option 3. Question number 6. For solving an assignment problem, which method is used? The answer is option 1, Hungarian. Question number 7. To make an unbalanced assignment problem balanced, what are added with all entries as zeros? The answer is option 3, either A or B. Question number 8. In a transportation problem, the row and column sum of total demand and total being equal is The answer is option 3, both A and B. Question number 9. In a transportation problem, any set of non-negative allocations, xij greater than 0, which satisfies the rim requirements is called a The answer is option 2, feasible solution. Question number 10. In transportation problem, a feasible solution is called a basic feasible solution if the number of non-negative allocations is equal to The answer is option 3, m plus n minus 1. Question number 11. Any feasible solution to a transportation problem containing m origins and n destination is said to be The answer is option 2, degenerate. Question number 12. State which of the two statements is true. I. The cells in the transportation table can be classified into occupied cells and unoccupied cells. E. Optimal solution is a feasible solution, not necessarily basic, which maximizes the total cost. The answer is option 1, both 1 and 2 are correct. Question number 13. The allocated cells in transportation table are called the. The answer is option 1, occupied cells. Question number 14. WAM stands for. The answer is option 1, Vogel's approximation method. Question number 15. Once of the initial basic feasible solution has been computed for transportation problem, what is the next step? The answer is option 3, optimality test. Question number 16. In transportation problem, one can determine the initial basic feasible solution by using. The answer is option 4, all of the above. Question number 17. Optimality conditions are expressed as dash in case of all non-basic cells. The answer is option 3, reduced costs. Question number 18. Linear programming technique is used to allocate scarce resources in an optimum manner in problems of. The answer is option 3, both A and B. Question number 19. What is the objective function in linear programming problems? The answer is option 3, linear function optimization problem in an optimization problem. Question number 20. Which statement characterizes standard form of a linear programming problem? The answer is option 1, constraints are given by inequalities of any type. Thank you. Like, follow, subscribe.